Hello. Hey guys, I hope you are all well and everything is going smooth and nice. So, let me quickly adjust the camera for you first. I think you, yes, I think, yes, everything is visible on my table. So, in this video, I am going to unbox these three separate devices, and this is going to be a bonus video. So, because I'm not making a different video for for the unboxing of these three different items. So quickly let's get started. I will tell you what this is, uh, what's inside these boxes. I think you are able to see what is printed on the top of this box. So this is the headphones. I will tell you about this and this. So this is the webcam from Logitech, and the third device, this box. So inside this box is a barcode scanner, 1D and 2D. 1D and 2D barcode scanner which supports both 1D and 2D reading. So quickly let's get started, and uh, just a second, let me open this cutter. Okay, so I will tell you also about the specifications of the, just a second. Here is the cutter. Okay, the specifications of every item. Okay, see, I've removed this label, the security seal, do not tamper. So I tampered it because I purchased it and I want to use it. Now if you guys want, then you can watch this video in 1.25x or 1.5x. Now see, so this is a as I already told you, this is a barcode and QR code scanner. So this is manufactured by Metro or Suzu Technologies Corporation Limited, and their address, what is printed on label is Shanghai Street, Suzhou in China, and this is imported in India and marketed by Honeywell International India Private Limited. Okay, so uh, this product is manufactured by Metro Technologies and imported by Honeywell. So I think Honeywell only is the importer of this and not the manufacturer. Okay, and the model number is Orbit HF680. So it is actually a hands-free area imagining scanner. So you can place, this is a desktop scanner. See, I think there are three types of scanners in the market. First, there is a handgun scanner. I will show you. I have it with me as well. I don't know where I put it. Here. See, this is my old Honeywell barcode scanner. Was only a 1D scanner and it stopped working because it accidentally fell on the ground, and I don't know, it was not scanning anymore. So to avoid this thing, now I have ordered a QR code, barcode or QR code scanner which I can place on top and I don't need to touch it at all. Quickly tell you about the price of this. The MRP which is printed on this label is 20,160, and the month and year of manufacture written here is September 2022. I think that would be visible to all of you. You just have to zoom it a little bit. Yes. Okay. Hmm. But if you negotiate it enough, you can purchase it under 8,000, including GST. Okay. So inside the box, this is a user manual. This is a USB to Ethernet cable, USB 2.0 to RJ45, and this is the scanner. Now there is nothing else inside the box. Let me just quickly open the scanner for you. See, the description written here on this label is scanner HF. HF is for high frequency 2D E2R G7 black USB India. So okay, and as per their website, it is a fast scanning with its fast scanning barcode or QR code reader with its megapixel sensor and 1 gigahertz processor. Okay, and okay, just a second. Okay, and if you guys are wondering what is the difference between a 1D and 2D barcode scanner, what are 1D and 2D barcodes? See, 1D barcodes are basically they are read with the laser barcode scanner, and 2D barcodes require a 2D imager. Okay, and that depends on the other factors as well, what type of barcode you are scanning for a supply chain requirement or a certain industry specific barcode scanner. Basically 1D barcodes are these are widely used in retail, where we see like promotions, limited time offers, price changes, etc. And since these 1D barcodes have a limited amount of information that can be stored into them, they need to be linked with an external database. Okay, and with 2D barcodes, the applications are vast. They can be used in industry, support technologies, etc., etc. And 2D barcodes are excellent for this applications that use detailed tracking information that does not change. QR codes or PDF codes, data matrix codes are some example of 2D scanners. So in my hand, see, this is looking nice and cute. This is made by Honeywell. The serial number is printed at the bottom, and this will see, these are the LEDs which project a red light. Okay, so here there is only one port behind this, and this is RJ45 port, so you just need to connect the RJ45 cable to it, and the other end, which is USB, this one, to the computer. Okay, to make it function well. Okay, so it is transferring the data and power from USB to RJ45. That's cool. So let me quickly connect this for you. You can skip the video for 10 seconds. Let me pause the video. Okay, so I paused the video, plugged the cable beside my computer on the back side of my computer, and now I start the video, and here see, I inserted the cable, and you see a cool white LED at the bottom, and see a red LED is glowing there. So yes, I think the driver is automatically installed because I see a pop-up on my screen. And let me quickly scan the barcode for you. So if you guys open an Excel sheet, let me open my Excel and click on a cell like this, and if you try to scan this barcode, see, I got the result, I got the input in my Excel sheet. Yes, so it is working perfectly well. And let me quickly scan a QR code, but I don't think I have it with me right now. I have only barcodes with me, and this is very fast. Yeah, this is very fast. So this is working well. Okay, so if you guys have any questions regarding this, from where I purchased this, I purchased it from online vendor based in Delhi. And if you guys have any more questions or anything, just post it in the comment sections, and I would love to read your comments, and I will make sure that I will reply to each and every one of the comment. Okay, that's it with this device. Cool. Second one, these are the headsets from Fingers. Fingers is a company based out of Gujarat, so it's a local manufacturer from India. And see on the label here, I hope it is visible to all of you. It is printed that it is manufactured by Dynamic Conglomerate Private Limited in near Sardar Chowk, Vapi, Gujarat, India. Okay, this is not a promotional video. I am just explaining what are the description, what is the description of it, what is printed on the label, etc., etc. Why I chose these headphones? See, these headphones are very cheap on their website. If you go to their website Fingers and select this model S10 under headset section, you find the MRP of this on their website is 1099, but if you negotiate it enough, okay, then you will get it for under 700, 650, 600, even for 550 rupees including taxes. And there is an inbuilt microphone in this, and the audio quality is very nice, only for which actually worth for 550 rupees. Okay, and I think you can compare this with a 2000 rupee headset as well. The plastic is robust. The overall quality is very decent because I have used it for more than 7 to 10 days, and I was impressed by the quality and the price of it. Okay, so what I will do is I will post in my description section first the link where you can purchase this, and the user manual and the description of it, and second for this item as well. And if you go on their website, see, it is mentioned that it comes with a 3.5 mm golden connector with a flexible microphone like this. Okay, and the cushion is comfortable for your ears. Let me quickly open this for you. See, this is the QR code here, so I will quickly scan it. Yes, it is scanned. Okay, nice. And okay, the model name is S10. I've already mentioned you. I will also write it down the description of this video when I upload this video. This is the 3.5 mm golden connector here. This is the mic, and on the left hand side you will get a Fingers branding here, right here. This is cushiony, and the cushions are soft. Okay, not ultra soft, but nice. And the headphones are lightweight, not very heavy. Okay, let me quickly open the description section on their website if it is mentioned there. Okay, so it says multi-use without interruptions, Finger S10 is here, blah blah blah. Yeah, I think that's all with this. So you just need to connect it with a 3.5 mm port in your computer or on your laptop, and you just quickly this is a plug and play device. Okay, so you just connect it and start using it. That's it. And to tell you the dimensions of it, the overall weight of this is less than 200 grams, 195 grams to be approx. And the dimensions of this headphone is, this is 180 centimeter, 180 mm wide, 180 mm tall, and 73 mm deep. Okay, so that's all. One more thing, this, I think you guys recognize this. This is a volume controller, so it's a nice thing to have, but you can always control the video from your laptop or computer, but it's a nice thing to have. Okay, you can also connect this into in your mobile phone if you guys have a 3.5 mm jack in your mobile phone. I don't have it. Okay, so let's come with this third device which I have. This is a Logitech C920 Pro HD webcam. Okay, and I have been using this webcam for more than 2 or 3 years now. Previously I was using Logitech C615, which was not full HD, only a HD webcam. This is a full HD. So let me quickly tell you the specifications and details. The weight of this webcam is 162 grams as mentioned on the website. And talking about the dimensions, this is the height of this webcam is 43.3 mm, the width is 94 mm, and The depth is 71 mm. The maximum resolution which on which you can record a video, which this, okay, just a second, which this webcam can record is you can choose from 1080p or 720p at 30 frame per second. Okay, not 60 frame per second, 30 frame per second, but it is nice, the video quality is nice. And this is 3 megapixel camera. This comes with 3 MP of camera, and it supports autofocus feature. This has inbuilt microphone in it, and the warranty information, as mentioned on their website, this comes with a 2-year limited hardware warranty. For these headphones, 1 year, and for this QR code barcode scanner, 1 year limited warranty. And as you can see, okay, see, this is the label tag here on which serial number is printed. Inside the box there was this cardboard and this user manual. Okay, and on top of this you will see a serial number mentioned here as well. And you just need to plug and play, you just need to plug this USB and the driver will automatically install, and you will see a pop-up that this device is now ready to use. Okay, this is also a plug and play device, and as soon as you connect this, you will see a blue LED glowing here, so you can recognize that that your webcam is now switched on. So as per their website, this webcam is compatible with the Windows 8 or 8 or later, with Mac OS 10.10 or later, and Chrome OS, etc. And this is a USB type A port. Okay, and one important factor, the capturing view, the capturing angle of this, the diagonal field of view is 78 degrees. Okay, and let me quickly open this and show you how you can adjust it on top of your monitor or something else. This is actually a decent webcam from Logitech. The microphone quality is top notch. Even if you are sitting like 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet away, it will catch your audio. If you are in your office, in your home, in your classroom, etc. Not outside. I have not tried it outside, like for outdoor environments, how much noise will it capture. I have only tested it indoors. See here. Here is how you can adjust it on top of your monitor or something. For example, you want to put it on, let's say, put it over your headphone like this. Okay, so it will stay like this. I think that's all. And on their website, let me quickly tell you the price of it. On Amazon, it is mentioned that you will get it from somewhere from 9,000 to 11,494 or 11,500. But if you negotiate it, then you can get it for 7,500 including GST. So that's all. If you guys have any questions or comments, I would recommend you to write every comment that you can think of, or every question, post every question that you have in your mind, and I will make sure to reply to your question. And make sure you I'm just asking is, it would be nice if you like this video helpful, so just give me a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Thank you.